Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on an emulator. First, you'll need to choose a reliable Android emulator for your computer. Popular options include BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player. Make sure your PC has at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for smooth operation. Once selected, download the installer from the official website and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This initial step is crucial for a great gaming experience. After installing your emulator, open it and navigate to the Google Play Store. Search for eFootball and install the game just as you would on an Android device. Once installed, it's time to configure your settings. Go into the emulator's settings to optimize display and graphics. Crucially, map your keyboard and mouse controls. Assign actions like passing, shooting, and movement to keys that feel natural, ensuring a comfortable and responsive gaming session. To ensure the best eFootball experience, optimizing performance is key. Access your emulator's settings and allocate sufficient resources. We recommend assigning at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 to 4 CPU cores. Also, verify that virtualization technology like Intel VTX or AMD is enabled in your computer's BIOS. This significantly boosts emulator speed. Finally, keep your graphics drivers updated to the latest version for smoother frame rates and improved visual fidelity. Now that your setup is optimized, it's time to dive into advanced tips. Don't hesitate to experiment with different control schemes. Some players prefer a gamepad, while others master keyboard and mouse. Consider using the emulator's multi-instance feature if you play other mobile games. Engaging with online eFootball communities can also provide valuable insights and troubleshooting help. Enjoy the thrill of playing eFootball on a larger screen, with enhanced controls and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.